Hi, Sherilyn Dubreuil, traveling artista. Seeking and probing our personal inner voice and capturing it in our paintings is an ongoing aspiration of an artist's life. Of course, there are myriad ways of exploring as we continually pursue this elusive aspect of art. One way is that we can use color and light to express our deep inner passions, our true selves, playing with, rather than working, the pastel, our various tools, our heart and hands, our mind and spirit, and lightly referencing the chosen subject. These are elements that can combine to help us create a beautiful painting. Then, cultivating that initial inspiration throughout the whole creative process is our greatest desire. In this workshop, I plan to encourage and facilitate some of these approaches so you can discover something different for your personal artwork. As Robert Henri said, a great painter will know a great deal about how he did it, but he will still say, "How did I do it?" The real artist's work is a surprise even to himself. Please join us in this exploration, and meanwhile, stay dusty, my friends.